guys, good morning. We are still here in La Union. So time check, it's already 7:30 in the morning. So we were supposed to have breakfast at the beachfront. Medyo maulan ngayong umaga. I hope it's just here in La Union and not in Pagudpod. Kasi today rin tayo dediretso ng Pagudpod after breakfast. So yeah, sakto yung travel time actually. Going to Hakuna Matata. So our stay is going to be until Monday check-out time, and then we leave for Manila. So di rin namin sure if dire-diretsohin na ba namin to Manila from Pagudpod or we would again sleep over here in La Union. So tingnan na lang natin. Anyway, so I'm just waiting for Daniel to finish up preparing, and then we'll head down for breakfast. See you guys there. Hi guys, quick update. So we were supposed to have breakfast downstairs sa may baba lang ng hostel namin. Kaso nga lang, wala pa yata yung chef nila. Hindi pa pumapasok. Time check is already 10 minutes to 8 o'clock AM. So sayang, sobrang mura sana ng breakfast sila. Parang sabi 100 lang daw per head. You're hungry na?
McDonald's eh. That's
So,
why.
since medyo malakas yung ulan, guys, ayan o. Baka mag-drive-thru kami or hanap kami somewhere na convenient. Yung hindi mapuputikan yung paa namin. Mga takot sa putik. Alright, see you in a bit. So we ended up ordering here at Jollibee. Nag-drive-thru na lang kami for convenience.
Hi sir, Jolly morning. We're on the Jollibee San Juan. Ano po order nila?
Okay, so nag-CR muna yung dalawa. Antayin ko na lang sila dito sa parking. Lakas ng ulan, guys. Mukhang mukhang buong araw siya dito sa La Union. While waiting, siguro kain na lang din muna ako. 7% na lang pala siya. Yung camera, palitan ko na rin yung battery. Wait lang guys ha, see you in a bit. Yay! Welcome to the Heritage Province of Ilocos Sur. Finally! Just a quick update guys, we're already here in Ilocos Sur. So konting-konting tiis na lang.
5 hours?
5 hours na tiis na lang from here. We will be keeping you updated guys, okay? Just stay put and stand by. See you in a bit. Hi guys! Nag-stop over muna tayo dito sa Santa Cruz. Merong bagong bukas na Save More. Ayan o. Bagong-bago pa lang. So we're gonna buy some toiletries, toothbrush ni Natalia, nakalimutan. Some additional toothpaste and soap and whatnot. So tingnan natin kung anong meron. So we're still far away from Pagudpod. Around still 5 hours yata. But yeah, samahan nyo kami. Uptick. What else? Toothbrush. Your toothbrush.
No, I want the
Huh? What's that? Tyler, that's for kids. How about us? That's your toothpaste na lang. Candy.
wax strip.
Wax strip. Soap. May soap pa ba tayo? Ha?
Wala. Pero kasi meron naman sa Makuna.
Okay. Toothbrush na lang ni Nate. Sir, saan po yung mga toothbrush nila?
Check out po.
Sa counter lang. Sa counter lang daw. Tissue. Saya naman pagbago, no? Sobrang liwanag. Sobrang happy talaga nitong batang to pag nagsha-shopping, no? What else? Chips.
Ayun. Ano gusto mo?
Pick one.
I know what you like. Okay, pick.
Okay, let's go. Toothbrush.
Yan na lang mo yung travel.
Ito, this one na
Ayun,
lang.
may pink.
Ayun, get the pink one.
Although it's a bit pink, then it's fine.
Wait, there's a lighter pink.
Tama. Still looks clean. Pag naka-wax talaga guys, sobrang linis pa rin tignan. Sobrang babait ng staff dito guys. Tinayungan pa kami. Say thank you.
I'm excited to go to the beach.
Really. I just hope it's not gonna be raining, right?
I hope Jesus listened to our prayers last night.
Yeah.
Did you pray for good weather? I don't think you did.
Liti did.
Okay.
Alright, tapos na yung grocery haul natin. See you guys at the next stop. Wow!
Yeah, I want to show Darcy.
Oh, look at that, bridge.
Right now, we're here at the visitor center. Makiki-CR lang muna.
Is this the way to go to the beach?
Yeah, it is. Hey, Ilocos Norte. So, we're officially in Lawag City. We just passed by the newly opened SM here in Lawag City. And it's super traffic. Everybody's going to SM. Yay! Sobrang traffic. Buti nakalagpas na kami, guys. We're now going to Dawang as recommended by my cousin-in-law. It's one of the oldest daw na karinderya dito sa Lawag. So, let's see. Medyo gutom na rin kami. It's already 1:22 in the afternoon. So, this is going to be our late lunch before we head straight to Pagudpud. Available, no? Dinardaran is the parang dinuguan version nila. So, lagyan daw ng supang Ilocos tsaka konting patis. So, ito na lang yung lagyan mo, yung isa wala.
Oo.
Okay na?
Look at this, it's so good lang. Ano ba yan? Hindi namin kasi.
Gutom ka na nga talaga.
Worth it to. Worth it yung 1 hour na taste.
Ito parang liempo, no?
Oo, na manipis na manipis. Everything that we eat is only.
So we just got out of Dawang's. Sobrang
Dito ba?
jam-packed. Buti na lang, nauna kami kay DepEd Secretary Angara. So nandun pa, pupunta pala siya.
Seconds lang. Di ba?
Yeah, kaya buti nakapark kami kaagad. Kasi sobrang dami niyang kasama. Like, I think the whole DepEd was there. So siksikan talaga. The food was nice, no?
Super good.
We had tinuno and what else did we have? Paksiw.
Pero it's
So-
not paksiw that we know eh.
Yeah, it's not the fish paksiw. It's parang
Parang siyang
pork with intestines with ano yun eh.
Parang siyang bulalo na hindi mo may.
Oo eh.
Parang nilaga. Pero
Very
hindi.
savory yung soup niya na hindi ganun kaasim. Na
Hindi siya maasim at all.
Hindi nga eh, yung katulad na paksiw kasi na alam natin is maasim. Tapos isda, right?
Ito parang
So,
nilaga. Nilagang mas madilam lang.
Oo. Masarap yung food. Yun nga lang, one thing hindi namin na-order yung dinadaran. I was also looking forward to that kasi para siyang dinuguan yata na may crispy bagnet.
Chicharon.
Chicharon, yan. The only
Maasim
thing,
lang.
si Natalia, hindi niya nagustuhan yung food. Well, obviously, it's not something kids would fancy. With
She
aircon.
doesn't like the place.
So, for Natalia daw, it's the place. Pero kasi these are the heritage, like,
Also, there's a lot of scary part on the...
lot of
on the food
squishy
that I-
part. Yeah, ayaw niya kasi ng taba and mga malalambot, mga squishy part. Ewan ko. Ako when I was a kid, yun ang gusto ko eh, yung taba ng baboy. I liked it. Anyway, so right now we're driving now towards Pagudpud. So dire-diretso na tayo. We still have at least 1 hour and 30 minutes to go.
Where are we going?
Straight na to the beach.
Yay!
We have to get you your food pala kasi you didn't eat properly. Not unless you don't want to eat anymore. You're still hungry. Ayun, sakto. Oh. Look at the sign.
Niti's favorite!
Yay!
That's not my number one favorite.
What's your number one favorite?
Jollibee.
No.
What?
Holy Ribs!
Holy Ribs. Okay. Alright. Ganda na yung
Kasi
ano
her
dito
taste
ha.
buds are
Doa.
limited na
Yeah. So we're here.
so long. The line.
Maraming gusto McDonald's at this time. Thank you.
Paano wala ka ng drinks mo?
Wala. Thank you. Okay, so we're done with McDonald's. Now, are we ready to go to Pagudpud?
Yes!
Are we ready to go to the beach?
Yes!
But it seems to be drizzling again.
Don't worry, God will remove it.
Okay. Just pray, okay? Alright guys, see you in Pagudpud. Grabe yung views. Don't think we can stop. We just arrived in Pagudpud. We are 16 minutes away from Saud Beach. Yun nga lang, sadly it's still raining. But yeah, hopefully in a while mawala siya para makapag-swim. Actually nakapang swimming outfit na ako guys.
Tatalon ka na.
Nakasando pa ako. Summer na summer. See you at Hakuna Matata. This is it guys. Hakuna Matata. Medyo may konting off-road lang papasok but hindi naman ganun kahaba.
Ay, babe. Paano na yung baba?
Oo nga eh. Dikit ko na lang muna dun. Paatras. Okay.
Ikaw na muna bababa.
Ha?
Ikaw na muna.
Kaya mo ako ng payong.
Dapat second floor love ah. King room. Second floor king room.
Second floor.
Ang papayag ng mas mataas.
King room. Second floor. Hi. For check-in kami. Ganda ng place, guys. It's just sad the weather is not with us. Look at that. So this is the bar and office. The lounge area. Literal beachfront. Kahit umuulan, walang makakaawat sa kanila. Mag-banana boat. Yeah! Saya! We're just waiting for the one in charge para maka-check-in na tayo. Ayun. Thank you. So meron siyang mini kitchen. May fridge. Table. Sink. May free utensils. Si microwave. It's good. Wow. Nice bed. It's a king bed. Very large TV. I think this one's 50 inches. Merong hanging rack para sa bag and sa clothes. Very nice Check the restroom. Mirror. Mirror. The bathroom is good. Very, very nice. May hot shower. Decent na rin. The room is decent, guys. Check natin yung view. The view is facing the restaurant. Okay, that's good. So, ang challenge ngayon ay magbaba ng gamit. K2. Ganda ng view sa likod. Farm. See you guys in a bit. Sunduin ko lang sila and magbababa lang din kaming gamit. Sulitin natin guys kahit na maulan. Let's go guys. Saan na sila? Yun. Wow, sobrang ganda. Kahit maulan. Oh my gosh. Lamig. Sana hindi tayo magkasakit. So yun yung place na tinuluyan namin. Very small lang. Grabe, sobrang taas pala ng alon.
look at the shells that I found. This one looks rare.
Okay. Ang ganda ng sand dito.
Sobra.
No?
Sobrang laki.
Ayun yung windmill, guys. Grabe, ang ganda pa rin ng dagat. Kahit maambon. Dito guys, hindi masyadong malakas yung alon. Pero in front of Hakuna Matata, mas kalmado yung tubig. Tsaka dito rin may water sports. So kahit maulan, tuloy pa rin ang water sports. Medyo malalim na dito. Dito lang tayo yan. Tsaka malambot yung sand.
Did you wear your sea shoes?
Yeah. Are you guys having fun?
Yes!
Even though it's raining?
Yeah! The water is so warm.
I miss the beach.
I think this is Casa Angelina, love. Yun yung may 1,000 lang per night.
Ah, talaga? So dito guys, mga 1,000 per night daw. And then dito, Arinaya.
2,000. Yeah.
Arinaya is 2,000 per night. And then yung sa amin.
It's not even clear. It's so deep over here.
It's fine. You can swim.
Because you're beside mommy.
Me, I can still walk. See?
So nice. It's so nice swimming when you're pregnant. Kasi it's not heavy on the top.
I just hope the rain stops though.
I don't think it's gonna stop today. Probably tomorrow.
Yeah, hopefully.
Oh my god.
Why are you facing backwards, Nate? Gutom ako bigla, guys. Check natin kung anong food nila dito. Nakakagutom maglakad, actually. This is our place. Yan. We're done swimming, guys. Basically, yung beach niya, decent naman for the place. Medyo sad lang kasi umulan. Hindi na kasama yung weather. But hopefully, sabi nung nakausap nating local, by tomorrow, umaraw. So usually daw, at least one day, so paiba-iba daw yung weather eh. But I hope, yeah, tama siya. Ang sarap lang mag-lounge dito, guys. Kapag gusto niyo yung place na parang loungy, parang lazy type of resort, dito yun. Parang, pag nandito kayo, parang gusto niyo lang mag-lounge, papakinggan nyo lang yung waves ng dagat. Kung gusto nyo mag-unwind talaga literal. And if you have books that you want to read, okay rin dito. Sobrang tahimik. Yun naman yung this is what separates the other resorts. Pero tahimik. Sobrang tahimik ng place. And like sa kabila, may video okay, may medyo medyo on the commercial side. So in a bit, we're gonna have dinner na rin. Hindi na rin siguro kami lalabas. Baka dito na lang din mag-dinner. Kasi they have everything here naman. So yeah. See you guys in a bit. Lounge lang muna. Update lang guys. We're na having dinner. We ordered, what did we order? Longganisa.
Chicken wings.
Ayan yung longganisa. Longganisa na ano to?
Vegan? I
Vegan?
don't know.
Basta from
You're
here.
the one who ordered. It's garlicky, so I think it's vegan.
Yeah. So, vegan longganisa, and then we ordered pizza, pepperoni pizza, tsaka chicken wings for Natalia. Wait lang natin. Ito yung setup namin dito. We're currently on a bed na nagsiswing. Medyo nakakahilo lang. Sobrang chill lang dito, guys.
Makain ka lang.
Ayan o. See?
Super nice.
So chill. How's the food?
It's good.
Worth it naman.
Yeah.
It's good. So we're just waiting for the rest of the food. Pakita ko sa inyo in a while. Wow. Pepperoni pizza. Stop.
Ay, wala pa pong rice to. Pa-add po kami ng rice. Isa po. Thank you.
Sarap ng longganisa nila, guys. Feeling ko the whole stay natin dito sa Pagudpod. Puro longganisa lang yung kakainin namin. Ito yung isa.
Here.
No, I want to sit down here.
How can I remove your pads? Kasi pag ni-remove ko yan,
Chicken
babagsak
wings
lahat.
na honey butter. Problema sila, guys. Kasi yung mga puwet nila puro sand. Ano ba naman? Nakaupo lang sila dun sa waves. Ang lakas ng alon, di ba? Ayan.
Ang dami.
Ang kakate ng mga puwet nila. Sobrang busog na kami, guys. Nabusog ka, Bi? Yeah, sobrang busog. So, yung pizza hindi na namin naubos kasi sobrang busog na talaga. So, dadali na lang namin siya sa room for later kasi may microwave naman sa room. We also brought a lot of drinks. May soft drinks. Ano pa yung mga dinala mo, B? Milk, soft drinks, and a lot. Kasi may fridge eh.
Strawberry
May ref.
Chocolate milk.
So, kompleto kami
Melon milk.
sa drinks. Tipid hacks.